Everyone, my name is Dailam. Hey, you look tired today. Are you okay, Pawaj?
Not really. I had to hit the book all night for the test.
How do you think the test will be hard?
I hope not. I just want it to be piece of cake.
By the way, Leo was acting strange this morning.
Oh, she probably split the beans about surprise project.
Really? That explain why anyone suddenly now.
Yeah, she charged a teacher pet sometimes.
Anyway, I am getting butterflies in my stomach thinking about the test.
We'll be fine. Let's study more before the bell rings.